How to add or change display name on booking.com. Hi everyone, in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add or change your display name on booking.com. So let's get started. First of all, launch open a web browser on your device and type in booking.com in the search box in search. You'll end up in the official homepage of booking.com. Once you're logged into your account like you always do, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner and click on My Account. Once you're inside your Accounts tab, click on Personal Detail under Manage Account. You'll come across this Personal Details page where you can update your personal information. Go to the Edit button right next to Display Name in order to add a display name for yourself. Once you are done, click Save. Similarly, you can also go ahead and enter your name that you want to change to or add on the top of the screen and click Save again. Once you do that, you have successfully added your display name or changed your display name. If you ever want to change them again, you can click the Edit button like you previously did and go ahead and update your info. So that's how you easily change or add your display name on booking.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then, bye-bye.